Dr. Yamada, can I ask you something? I've been taking the Tokyo train daily lately. What on earth is that all about?
What's the matter, Alexander? Are you feeling unwell? You look pale.
No, my body's fine. But my mind is full of question marks. The morning commuter train is packed with people, right? It's like the front row of a Super Bowl stadium in America.
Yes, especially during the morning rush hour, it gets extremely crowded because the physical space is limited.
And yet, why is everyone so quiet, like in a library? There are so many people, but no one talks, and there's not a sound. In my country, in such a situation, people either complain or talk loudly.
That's because the invisible rule in Japan's public transportation is at work. It's not enforced, but the consideration for other passengers results in a quiet environment.
Consideration, you say, but nobody's telling them to be quiet, are they?
That's right. It's a manner that many people hold as a common understanding, even without specific instructions. For example, it's generally prohibited to talk on cell phones, and conversations with friends are usually kept to a volume that won't be heard by the person next to you.
I see. That's why everyone checks secretly to make sure there's no sound leaking from their earphones. At first, I thought everyone was protecting their secrets.
Secrets, huh? That's an interesting interpretation, but think of it more as an expression of the consciousness not to disturb the peace of others. It's the result of a collective desire to spend each individual's time undisturbed in a limited space used by many people.
And I saw something even stranger. Everyone, for some reason, holds their backpacks in front of them. As if they were treasure chests filled with diamonds. Does that mean something?
That's also part of consideration. If you keep your backpack on your back in a crowded train, you may unnecessarily occupy others' space or cause inconvenience by contact. By holding it in front, you're always aware of where your luggage is and try to minimize its impact on others.
Ah, I see. In my country, it's strong to think, I'll protect my space. I hadn't thought of that. Interesting. By the way, I heard that Japanese trains are crazy, precise when it comes to time.
Crazy, huh? Indeed. Punctuality is one of the major characteristics of Japan's railway system. If a train is even a minute late, the conductor will apologize several times.
That's really true. When my friend came to Japan, he laughed and said, apologizing for just 1 minute. In America, it's normal to be about 10 minutes late.
That's because transportation infrastructure is expected to be extremely reliable in society. Even a minute's delay can have a big impact on subsequent connections and business. Therefore, even minor delays are addressed by providing information to passengers and apologizing thoroughly to maintain trust. This is also influenced by Japan's cultural value of time.
And when I took the Shinkansen, I saw something unbelievable. At the terminal station, when all the passengers got off, a cleaning team rushed in, and in just 7 minutes, they changed the direction of the seats, collected the garbage, and even made the tables shine. It was like magic.
Yes, that's the professional work of the cleaning staff, often referred to as the Shinkansen theater. They create a perfect environment for the next passengers in a limited time. You could say this is also a manifestation of the Japanese spirit of hospitality.
Hospitality, but why do they go to such lengths in just 7 minutes? If they had more time, they could take it easy. I think it's efficient, but do they really need to be in such a hurry?
That's because the Shinkansen's operating schedule is very meticulously planned. If one train is delayed, it could potentially affect dozens of subsequent trains and even the nationwide timetable. Completing the cleaning before the next departure time is essential for the smooth operation of the entire system. Of course, at the same time, they want to provide a comfortable space for the passengers.
Listening to you, it seems Japanese trains are not just vehicles for transporting people. Silence, accuracy, cleanliness, all embody the Japanese spirit of considering each other, efficiency, and hospitality. It's like a miniature version of Japanese society itself.
Exactly. Public transportation is like a mirror reflecting the culture and social values of a country. The mysteries and craziness that you, Alexander, felt each have logical reasons when you understand their backgrounds.
I used to find it a bit stressful to ride the train in Japan, but now I think I can ride it more objectively and with analysis. Maybe next time, I'll take my film camera and go observe the crowded morning train.
Yes, by all means. I'm sure you'll make new discoveries. When that time comes, I hope you'll come and share the fragments of Japan you've captured, if you don't mind.